Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is Python free certification course, crash course to learn Python coding from basic beginning. So before moving on to the details about Python free certification course, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Now moving further about Python free certification course. So the course is provided by Udemy, which is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. They are providing a free certified online Python coding course for everyone. The detailed information, registration process, and application links have been provided in the website, so you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Watch the video till end because if not, then you may have problems in applying for the course. Free Python coding course details. Requirements. So beginners who have never faced programmed before, programmers switching languages to Python, intermediate Python programmers who want to level up their skills. What will you learn during the course? Learn the basics and theory of Python language, various tricks and methods of using Python language, learn how to write programs in Python, get an understanding of how to create GUIs, learn some of the built-in function and how to use them, learn to use Python professionally, learning both Python 2 and Python 3, build a complete understanding of Python from the ground up, learn advanced Python features like the collections, modules, and how to work with timestamps. So how to register for this Python coding certification course? We have 3 steps for that. The first is you should have an account on Udemy. If you do not have an account, then you can create an account and remember to log in with your account. Second, you have to click on the link which we have provided. And third is you have to enter the coupon code which is given in our website. But note that this free coupon can expire very soon, so you have to apply as soon as possible and as soon as you see the video. So when we click on this link, we'll move to another website, which will be the official website for the course of Udemy. So as you can see, this is a paid course and we'll pursue this course for free by clicking on apply coupon. One more thing you need to remember is you have to log in with your account here in Udemy. So we'll enter the coupon code now. So once you enter the coupon code, you see that you can pursue this course for free instead of that payment you needed to. So now you have to click on enroll now and you will move to another web page. So your registration for the course is completed and you can start viewing your course by clicking on start course anytime whenever you want to. Moving on to our official website, Fresher Camp. So we have provided all the details regarding application links, requirements, and what will you learn during the course. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel, and also hit the bell icon for daily updates. If you have any queries, you can also refer to the website or leave your queries in the comment section below. Link for free Python coding course is provided in the description. So apply as soon as possible, and thank you.